This is the time we have been, one way or the other, affected by different circumstances. We have become victim to climate change. At the same time, there are so many natural as well as man-made disasters. And sometimes we are not able to control anything. So many of them are out of our control. Constructing roads or building structures in the pristine nature.
The program today was about natural hazards and tourism development in Mustang and the Khumbu region. Our research project was on that, and we introduced the project a little bit, what we did, what we found out. We actually tried to motivate the people to exchange ideas, experiences of tourism in their region, the challenges they face, and also the opportunities that might be existing for future development.
Quite a lot of people that had supported us back at home in discussions with international scientists where we asked them, what do you think about our research, what do you think about the methods we use, and so on. So we got very important feedback from them.
Workshop, very stimulating, very interesting. The theme was how to develop sustainable tourism, or other words, tourism futures, specifically in the regions of Khumbu and Mustang. And there were stakeholders from both these regions. They range from like guest house owners, organization CEOs. The representatives of the Nepal Tourism Board was there to address us this morning. Very stimulating to see a lot of synergy. Positive issues that came out of the workshop. How to diversify tourism. In both these regions now, tourism focuses almost totally on trekking and mountaineering.
खोलामा चाहिँ राफ्टिङ गर्नेवाला भन्ने अनि जहाँसुकै बत्तीको चाहिँ पसल थाप्ने अनि भएकोको फोहोर खोलामा फालेपछि हाउ कुड यु हैव वन टुरिज्म सेक्टर इज गोइङ टु बी किल्ड टोटली
आफ्नो घरमा आउने पर्यटकलाई भुत्लाएर पठाउने सिवाय उनीहरूको लोकल टुरिज्म डेभलपमेन्टको लागि हामीले खासै उपलब्धिमूलक कामहरू गर्न सकेका छैन। अहिले भित्र गोष्ठीमा धेरै कुराहरू उठे। पर्यटकको राम्रो सम्भावना भएको जिल्ला भएको हिसाबले हामी समष्टिगत रूपमा एक भएर अब यो जुन चुनौतीहरू छ यसलाई चाहिँ न्यूनीकरण गर्दै जानुपर्ने आजको नितान्त आवश्यक छ।
Off season and practice ourselves to use this low season rather than off season, because I think there's no off season in Nepal. It's just that we haven't been able to promote properly.
Mustang different नभएर एकै ठाउँमा बसेर हामीले डिस्कस गर्दाखेरि पनि उहाँहरुको र हाम्रो प्रब्लम अपर्चुनिटीहरु चाहिँ उस्तै नै लाग्यो। रेस्टुरेन्ट अनि त्यसदेखि अब हाम्रो व्यवसायलाई कसरी राम्रो बनाउने हैन टुरिस्टलाई सेटिस्फाई गर्ने भन्नेतिर लाग्नु पर्छ जस्तो लाग्यो।
The human beings are mostly responsible for inviting disaster, and as such, we are seeing this on our day-to-day practice. For example, हामी मुस्ताङमा बाटो लग्यौं, but is the road sustainable? Of course, we need development.
खुम्बु मुस्ताङको सन्दर्भमा भन्नुपर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सम्भावनाहरू छ। सँगसँगै हामीले जति चाहिँ पूर्वाधारहरू विकास हुँदै गइराखेको छ र भविष्यमा चाहिँ थप चाहिँ पर्यटकहरू चाहिँ त्यहाँ आउने सम्भावना देख्छु। जुन सेवा प्रदायकहरूले चाहिँ राम्रो गुणस्तरीय सेवा चाहिँ दिन सकेको खण्डमा चाहिँ यो क्षेत्रको पर्यटक बढ्ने सम्भावना छ र यहाँबाट चाहिँ रोजगार सिर्जना हुने र त्यो क्षेत्रको अर्थतन्त्रलाई मात्र हैन राष्ट्रिय अर्थतन्त्रलाई नै चाहिँ पर्यटन विकासले योगदान पुर्याउने चाहिँ सम्भावना देख्छु।
इंटरनेशनल स्ट्यान्डर्ड टुरिस्ट ल्याउने भन्छ तर हामीले चाहिँ इंटरनेशनलको क्वालिटी चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ प्रोभाइड गर्न सकेको छैन र हामीले चाहिँ यसलाई फोकस गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ। इन केस इफ वी वान्ट गुड क्वालिटिज इंटरनेशनल टुरिस्ट अनि त्यसमाथि हामीले डोमेस्टिक टुरिस्टलाई पनि फोकस गरेर त्यही अनुसारको हामीले चाहिँ नेसेसिटीहरु चाहिँ इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ। अन्नपूर्ण एरियामा के चाहिएको हामी लोकल व्यक्तिले पनि बुझ्नु जरुरी छ। नेपाल सरकार अनि पर्यटन बोर्डले इम्पोर्टेन्ट दिनु पर्यो। आन्तरिक पर्यटक चाहिँ धेरै बढ्छ, बाहिर पर्यटक चाहिँ कमै हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ। माउन्टेन बाइकर भयो, मोटर बाइकलाई फोकस गरेर राम्रो बाटो इन्फर्मेसन इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ। इन्टरनेटहरु बत्ती सत्ती पानी सबैको राम्रो व्यवस्था भए पनि त्यो पर्यटक चाहिँ बढ्छ।
We are totally based on tourism. Besides tourism, हाम्रो त income sources छैन भने पनि हुन्छ. In future, quality of tourist कसरी ल्याउने is very important for the country itself. Plus, अब अहिलेसम्म weaknessहरु के छ? What improvement we have to bring about tourism?
Interesting ideas and information and experiences. So for me personally, it was very interesting. I got the feeling that our aim that people start discussing things and start discussing tourism, the tourism future, that went well. I cannot tell how they liked the discussion, but from my point of view, the aim that they start discussing, that aim was real.